Hi guys, welcome to my channel Roots for Software Engineer. In previous video we covered about hooks and types of hooks, and in this video we'll cover about useState hook. Okay, and each and everything one by one we'll discuss. Okay, now first let me take our file. Now we'll cover first. We'll cover here first hook today, and that hook is nothing but useState. UseState hook is our first one. Okay, now we'll discuss about this one. Okay, now why we need to use useState? Look at here. It is a hook. Okay, now first point. Okay, we can say it is a hook. Okay, now we can say it is a hook. Hook. Okay, now used to maintain used to maintain state at component level. This point is important. At the component level is important. Okay, it will maintain its maintain state at component level, or we can say state maintaining state maintaining. Okay, now state maintaining locally, state maintain local. Okay, now next we'll go with your syntax. We'll take your syntax. Okay, and for the syntax, observe carefully. First we need to go with the importing statement of useState. After importing we need to utilize here. Okay, how to import? First of all, okay, import is possible by using import reactor. Okay, anyway we are taking from React library. Okay, this is the first statement, right? And okay, now just wait, I need to go with your external keyboard because some keys are not working. Okay, now go with your okay single code. Okay, now next here itself we need to import by using flower base, means name would export, it will give internally useState. Okay, this is the importing statement our useState, and after that we need to go with the syntax. So how to utilize this one? Use state okay, and useState will accept one initial value, it will accept one initial value. Okay, next after initial value it will return means useState will return one array. Okay, now for this one we need to follow one keyword, and array will accept two values. One is to take initial value. Okay, it will grab the initial value, means we can say as a state, and second one is the function, and that function I will go with as a set state. I will go with as set state. Okay, now here we'll write the statement. Okay, now what is the statement? Initial value is optional, either we can take or we cannot take, that is our choice. Next one, state means accept okay initial value, accept initial value, or we can say current value. Okay, current value it will represent. Okay, next set state function. Okay, set state is a function. It will used for updating. Okay, to it will used for updating initial value, or we can say current value, update the current value. Okay, now this is possible by using useState. Okay, we'll write here one example, and example. Okay, now we'll go with like this. First we need to import the statement. Okay, now after importing, then we'll consider here len. Okay, now we need to go with, okay, I will come right side, then take useState accept the initial value, call it as 0. Okay, and it will return one array. Okay, and array need one. Okay, now keyword, and initial value will handle with the state, And next function we can go with the set state. This state and set state are optional. If I will print by using console browser, console.log of state, and it will grab the current value. It will grab the current value. Now present our current value is 0. Okay. And next later on, if I will print console, if I will print console.log inside one set the state, and it will return for us one function. It will give for us one function. What is that function? Inbuilt function. Okay. Inbuilt function it will give to execute our update, to execute our value. Okay, means updated portion we can do. Okay. Now next point, and use state. Okay, next point we can see user state hook. Okay, now will hold. Okay, will hold some values. Okay, what is it? We'll see. Okay, it will hold some values. Okay, now values are, we can say it will hold some data, and first one we can say as number type of data we can do with the use state number. Next one we can say as a string data. Okay. Next after string data we can say as what is it, boolean type of values. We can do programs with the boolean value also, and we can consider as array. Okay. Next we can consider as object. And next we can go with as no data, means without data, no data, or we can say as any one of the any combination of above. Any combination of above. Okay, now this is the comes under use state. Okay, use state means what? It is a hook with it will maintain the, okay, now state at component level are locally. And first we need to go with the importing of use state and syntax. This is the syntax for use state, and this initial value is optional, and initial value will accept, our current value will accept by using a state, and the set state will update the value, update the current value. It is one function, and this is syntax is related to our what is it, the use state, as well as some examples. And it will handle the data like number, string, boolean, array, object, and any one of the combination of above, and remaining things one by one. This number, string, boolean, array, object, each and every program will see one by one in next video. Okay, bye guys.